Damn right!
You can get blind spot parents, mate. Oh. What the?
Oh, what the hell? How'd you do that?
We have introduced also, which is additional to what was originally planned.
What the fuck?
Concept of seminars. They're
good on
essentially
you, mate.
much like the whole cohort
Glad the
come
bike ride didn't
together
take
in a
off.
lecture, but shifting the focus.
A little bit impatient there, Sport.
And good morning to you, Summer. Thanks so much.
It's green. Oh, yes, do a U-turn. You're special.
I'm an extremely private person, and without question,
What the fuck are you doing, you stupid fuck?
stuff in my personal life.
Gladys Berejiklian is hardly the first New South Wales politician to become...
The rest of it, they've turned it into a carton game. You know, the meat comes in as a rump in a carton or a reptile in a carton, and the butcher just slices it in the supermarkets. But back in the day, they used to deal with the carcasses too.
So it's rare that a slab or a side of beef would actually go to the butcher and he'd have to
Impressive piece
start
of driving.
cutting the different cuts in the butcher shop.
Oh no, in a butcher shop.
Nice. Good job.
Looking good on Wardell Street. Western Freeway's been busy outbound from Active to Fig Tree Pocket. That's starting to ease in spots. Heavy, you bound to away from Carlton.
Jesus, how fucking red was that?
Down and Northlake simply on the route as well.
State Road 22. Visit cars24.com for quality used cars sold 100% online with 6 months warranty and a 7-day return option. Conditions apply. LNCT 00123.
In less than a month, we will be making. We did get this bombshell from the New South Wales Premier.
So which way are you going, mate?
No option but to resign from the office.
Don't know where the fucking indicators are.
Resignation will take effect as soon as the New South Wales Liberal Party can elect a new parliamentary leader. That's Gladys Berejiklian review.
One eternity later.
Honest quality meat from Tasman butchers, sourced from Victorian farms and expertly
Fucking hell, mate. How
prepared
fucking
on-site.
stupid
More
are you?
cuts, Fresher meat.
Cops, fire brigade, ambulance. Someone's on the ground. Oh, car accident.
Bitch!
Cashback on selected packages. Receive bonus gift cards on selected appliances from Smeg and Bosch and Fisher and Paykel and Westinghouse. Terms and conditions apply. Bonus gift cards on selected cooking appliances now.
Dude, your lane goes that way. The lanes do this.
Support the Westpac Rescue Helicopter.
That ain't gonna happen. So the real point here is to make the rule. The real point is this is Joe Biden just signaling to his base, who are disproportionately dead. The weather in New York right now is in the 60s and 70s this week, all the way up to the near 80s.
fuckwit truck! You fucking moron.
Did you notice the bus had to brake all of a sudden?
Yeah.
Yeah, because she was in that lane and then cut across. And then changes it. Jesus! That was definitely going on Scotty's.
In that respect, I mean, right now, with regards to the debt ceiling, it's pretty much deadlock. McConnell insists the Democrats right now...
They're not worried. People who are vaccinated seem to remain worried. A poll of people aged 50 or older found 36% are very or extremely worried that they are...
Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes...
Fucking stop! Bastard bitch!
No. One way. It's one way. Hey! Don't give me the middle finger, it's one way!
Stop sign.
Idiot! My God!
What the fuck are you doing, you fuckwit?
Fuck you.
SB17BT.
Just got the finger of it. There was no way he was going to get through. What the fuck was he thinking?
Holy shit.
M-A-L-I-T-E, Illuminate Windows and Door Warehouse, Racecourse Road in Rutherford.
Did you know that you can use your body to map your emotions? Hi, I'm Jo Stanley, and I've teamed up with Dr. Jamie Lee for our podcast, Best of You. We talk to real people who are facing life's hurdles, whether it's the loss of a loved one or the stresses of work, and from them learn how physical cues in our body can help us understand our emotions and reframe our thoughts. Search Best of You podcast, download the new Listener app now, and listen for free. Listener.
A beach with
And straight through the stop sign. What a fuck.
Or your castle and forever home. A place to make memories, start traditions, and celebrate milestones.
It's one way only, you can only go out that way. Yeah, you'll have to go around. Fuck me. This took that corner a bit. Hey, that's not where you turn. Dumb Volvo drivers, they think. Where are your lights? Where's the lights? Of course you just do that. Huh. Good on you. Good on you. Well. Fuck! Go!
I'm too old for this shit.
Are you serious? That is not where you ride your mobility scooter. Oh no, it's someone's hat!
We got one!
Were you born an asshole, or did you work at it your whole life? Either way, it worked out fine, 'cause you're an asshole tonight. Yes, you're an A-S-S-H-O-L-E, and don't you try to blame it on me. You deserve all the credit. You're an asshole tonight. You were an asshole yesterday. You're
You fucking dickhead. I know it's confusing. And that's a stop sign. But let's not stop. Let's not stop. absolute dickhead. Oh, nice move. Left from the straight lane.
Yep. That's pretty special.
They're
Yeah.
not all one property.
Yeah.
What the fuck are you doing?
Special.
Tough competition though.
I was in
You are a genius.
in
That's alright. Since called the hospital, it was in Sydney. I called the hospital and I asked for a copy of my medical records, and they sent it through saying appendix removed.
Straight through the red light.
So
it wasn't even close.
Oh, what is that? Oh my god, it actually winks!